Are you ready to revolutionize your workshop? Today, we're counting down the 20 genius power tools you can't afford to miss in 2026. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend DIY warrior, the latest tech from giants like Milwaukee, DeWalt, and Makita is changing the game. We're talking about next-gen cordless power tools, AI-integrated smart levels, and the heavy-duty brushless motor tech that makes every job faster and easier. From the world's fastest reciprocating saws to the highly anticipated DeWalt Powershift series, these are the must-have tools for your 2026 tool arsenal. Let's dive in and see which of these cool gadgets and innovative inventions will upgrade your workflow today. Tame your lawn with ease and precision. The Kakei cordless grass trimmer combines power, versatility, and safety for effortless yard work. Its 20-volt lithium battery delivers 45 minutes of runtime, while the 260mm cutting width and 8,000 RPM spool system cut through thick grass quickly. The 4D rotating head and trimming wheel provide precise edging around sidewalks and flower beds, and the included flower protector keeps plants safe. With 7 blades, a quick-change design, and lightweight ergonomics, this cordless trimmer makes lawn care simple, efficient, and professional, even on large or uneven terrains. Transform your painting projects into a clean, effortless experience with the Paint Runner. This original 7-piece set, made in Indonesia, is a self-contained painting system that lets you paint without dipping, dripping, or mess. It includes a Paint Runner Pro, edger, resting tray, jug, corner tool, and screw adapter, covering every painting need. The ergonomic roller handle reduces hand fatigue, while the high-density roller ensures smooth, even coverage for professional results. Easy to clean and compact to store, this kit makes painting faster, neater, and stress-free. Keep every surface spotless with the Bissell Portable Deep Cleaner, a powerful cordless solution for quick and thorough cleaning. Equipped with a 25-volt lithium-ion battery and battery boost technology, it delivers full 165 watts of suction while conserving runtime for scrubbing and spraying. Lightweight and compact, it reaches hard-to-clean areas on carpets, rugs, upholstery, auto and RV interiors, and patio furniture. Each purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping pets in need. This portable deep cleaner combines convenience, power, and purpose, making every cleaning task easier and more meaningful. Tame your lawn and garden with the SakerPlus Grass Trimmer, a 22-volt lightweight cordless shrub cutter designed for precision and ease. Its adjustable head and high-performance motor deliver up to 1,200 RPM, making it perfect for trimming grass, shaping hedges, and maintaining shrubs. The 6.81-inch and 8.89-inch blades handle small areas and larger greenery efficiently. Lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to control, it reduces fatigue during extended use. Equipped with a rechargeable battery, double safety locks, and premium SK5 steel blades, the SakerPlus ensures safe, durable, and professional quality lawn and garden care. Reach every tight corner with the Geinxurn flexible drill bit extension, a must-have for DIYers and professionals alike. This 12-inch flex shaft extension with a 6.35mm hex screwdriver head bends up to 90 degrees while keeping the bit rotation internal, protecting your fingers. The double-lock magnetic design securely holds bits, reducing wobble and ensuring precision. Perfect for screws in hard-to-reach spaces, it extends the reach of your screwdriver or drill. Compatible with electric and manual screwdrivers, T-handles, corded or cordless drills, and impact drivers. This flexible bit holder tackles every tricky angle safely and efficiently. Tackle metal cutting with precision using the Crescent Aviation Snips, a 9 1/4-inch metal master set designed for straight and left cuts. These snips effortlessly cut low-carbon, cold-rolled 18-gauge steel with non-slip serrated molybdenum steel jaws that hold material firmly and distribute cutting force evenly. Offset blades keep hands safely clear while enabling straight lines and left arcs. The high-speed vibratory finish enhances durability and aesthetics, while compound spring action and valve-grade steel return springs ensure fast, effortless cutting. Non-slip comfort grips provide superior control for professional, precise metalwork every time. Get flawless paint lines with ease and confidence. The FrogTape ProGrade Painter's Tape is a 1.5-inch wide, high-adhesion masking tape designed for both indoor and outdoor applications. Its durable crepe paper sticks quickly to a variety of surfaces, even in hot and humid conditions, while the conformable backing makes masking light fixtures, doorways, windows, and hanging poly effortless. With 3-day clean removal without shredding, this 4-roll set delivers professional, precise results for production painting or home projects. Reliable, versatile, and mess-free, it ensures every edge stays sharp and controlled. Bend and shape metal with precision and ease. The Maxpower Sheet Metal Bender is a 3-inch offset hand seamer designed for bending, stitching, and flattening sheet metal, even in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. Its wide jaw provides a strong surface range, while casting jaws marked in 1/4-inch increments and anti-skid lines ensure accurate, slip-free work. Built from durable alloy steel with a nickel-plated finish, this sheet metal bending tool features an ergonomic, non-slip handle that reduces fatigue and includes a convenient lock for safe, portable use. Perfect for professional or DIY metalworking projects. Cut large electrical cables safely and efficiently with the Yangoutool Ratchet Cable Wire Cutter. Designed for heavy-duty use, this aluminum and copper cable cutter handles wires up to 240 square millimeters with ease. Its ratchet mechanism securely grips cables, allowing for straight, precise cuts with minimal effort. Compact and robust, it works well in tight spaces, making it ideal for professional electricians and large-scale projects. Built for durability, the Yangoutool cutter delivers consistent performance, but remember, it's not suitable for steel wire or live electrical lines, ensuring safe operation every time. Bend sheet metal with precision and ease using the Hontaituo 3-station edge roller bender. This large metal bender handles 29 to 22 gauge steel, creating 5/8 to 4-inch bends at angles from 0 to 90 degrees. Its adjustable rollers and accurate metric depth gauge ensure consistent performance rolls, professional results, while the included locking pliers secure material during use. Designed for roofing and a variety of other metal projects, its labor-saving back-and-forth operation boosts efficiency. Built with durable aluminum alloy grips, stainless steel rollers, and an all-metal structure, this tool offers long-lasting performance for heavy-duty bending tasks. Take control of the clutter and give your tools a proper home with the YueTong Garden Tool Organizer. This adjustable garage wall organizer and storage system is a necessity for anyone tired of messy garages or sheds. Built as an all-metal, heavy-duty wall mount holder with hooks for broom, rake, mop, and shovel, it comes as a 4-pack, totally 68-inch long. Each metal backboard includes 5 pieces of orange Rubbermaid hooks and 6 pieces of black fixed hooks. Free assembly, big storage, anti-rust, anti-aging design makes it perfect for organizing garden tools neatly and efficiently indoors or outdoors. Scrubbing should not feel like a workout, and the Hdyfix electric spin scrubber proves it. This shower scrubber with long handle and 3 speeds is a must for anyone tired of sore knees, wrists, and endless manual effort. Powered by a 5,200 mAh rechargeable cordless power scrubber, it delivers 120 to 200 minutes of runtime with a clear digital display. The retractable and adjustable angle spin brush reaches tough spots with ease. Built for effortless cleaning, it is ideal for cleaning the bathroom, tub, floor, tile, and more, making home cleaning faster and far less daunting. Clean cuts should not be a struggle, especially on detailed projects. The Chawke Ultrasonic cutter knife brings control and precision where ordinary blades fall short, making it a necessity for serious makers and professionals. This profession's 65-watt ultrasonic cutter knife uses 40 kHz vibration cutting with adjustable 25 to 65 watts of power for smooth, accurate results. Built for 3D printed resin, dental model plastic, car modification carbon fiber, acrylic trimming, and deburring DIY power-driven tools, it excels at 3D printed deburring, cutting, detailed DIY handwork, and safe, stable cutting with integrated lighting and overheat protection. Ever struggle to get clean, tight duct connections? The Maxpower sheet metal crimper is built to make that problem disappear, and it is a must-have for HVAC and metalwork jobs. This 5-blade duct crimping tool, a 9.8-inch hand crimper HVAC tool, handles 24-gauge steel and 26-gauge stainless steel ductwork, downspout, and stovepipes with ease. Its crimper design offers up to a 1.6-inch throat depth for precise control. Made from hardened, cold-rolled steel with an ergonomic TPR handle and labor-saving spring, it is used to quickly and accurately crimp sheet metal pipes. Dull blades slow you down and ruin results, which is where the Rushmore knife sharpener earns its place. This 6-in-1 garden tool and knife sharpener is a true necessity for anyone who relies on sharp tools. Featuring carbide and ceramic blades for pruners, scissors, axes, machetes, hedge shears, and lawnmower blades, it repairs, hones, and maintains edges with ease. The Rushmore multi-purpose knife sharpener uses a precision multi-slot system for indoor, outdoor, garden, camping, and hunting needs. Built tough with a tungsten steel head, it is used to keep every blade sharp, clean, and ready anytime. Tight spaces under the sink should not stop the job. The generic multifunctional sink wrench is a must-have new sink wrench faucet tool, plumbing tool designed for real-world repairs. When working under a basin sink faucet, wrench-tight spaces for the kitchen and bathroom, this tool becomes a necessity. With multifunctional compatibility, it works as a basin wrench, pipe wrench, socket, and more. The 360-degree rotation, 7 standard buckles, 4-jaw hex design, and durable high-strength alloy construction make it easy to install, disassemble, and repair sinks, faucets, hoses, and pipe fittings efficiently. Clean cork lines change how a space looks and lasts. The all-way cork tool is a necessity when messy joints, old sealant, or uneven beads ruin a project. This multifunction 3-in-1 cork tool features a comfortable soft grip and is made from strong engineering plastic for control and durability. Remove old cork by pushing or pulling the stainless steel blade, then smooth freshly laid cork using the rotatable silicone triangle with narrow, medium, or wide bead profiles. Easy cleanup comes from the plastic scraper. It works with acrylic, latex, and silicone corks for window, bath, and shower projects. A clean toolbox saves time and sanity. The Daehoi modular wrench organizers turn cluttered tool drawers into an efficient setup you can trust. This wrench rack with metric and SAE labels is a perfect tool storage holder with a magnet. Fitting sizes from 6mm to 38mm to create clutter-free storage and a more professional workspace. The modular design for versatility supports offset, combination, open-end, short handle, adjustable, and ratcheting wrenches. Each holder has a magnet for steady placement and quick access, while quick identification via labels boosts productivity. Built with high-quality durability, it's a smart gift for fathers, brothers, and boyfriends, and ideal for organizing and storing wrenches efficiently. crimp with confidence, and move faster on every job. The Wi-Fi Quick Change Die. Crimping tool is an 8.7-inch ratcheting hand crimper for 26 to 8 AWG. Terminals, built for clean, reliable results. When wiring demands precision, this tool is a necessity. It delivers consistent performance, while the Quick Change Die system lets you swap interchangeable dies compatible with different terminals in seconds. A precision ratcheting mechanism ensures full-cycle crimps every time. With ergonomic and durable construction, it's ideal for electrical installation, repair, and professional wiring work. Split wood faster with power you can feel. The Fiskars Super Splitting Axe is a 36-inch wood-splitting axe for medium to large-sized logs, built for serious results. When firewood piles up, this tool becomes a necessity. Its forged steel blade with advanced convex bevel design delivers clean, one-strike splits and releases easily from wood. The shock-absorbing handle with a non-slip grip improves control and reduces strain. A true multi-use axe, it's ideal for splitting firewood, handling yard work, lawn cleanup, and serving as dependable bushcraft gear and a camping hatchet for outdoor tasks. That wraps up our list of the most innovative power tools hitting the market this year. Which of these genius inventions are you adding to your kit first? Let us know in the comments below. Are you sticking with Team Yellow, Team Red, or Team Teal in 2026? If you found this tool review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more 2026 tool trends, construction tech, and woodworking gear updates. Check the links in the description for the best deals on everything we featured today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.